Hello, this is John the Buddhist. I'm also a traditionalist. And if you take from me, I will always get it back from you. I made a promise to myself that I will always take 4 teeth from the person who harmed me. I don't hold back, which is what I learnt from my father, Jonathan, who wasn't a Buddhist. Sometimes you can't get 4 teeth immediately. You will just take 2 or 3 and go back at a more appropriate time.